look at the TI-36X Pro, and we're going to look at how to use the statistical package. So when you're in here, normal calculations, you're going to have this DEG, which means degree, and you're not going to have anything else up here. When you want to do your data, what you're going to first do is you're going to click on data, and you have these different lists. Now you're going to want to enter your raw data in list 1. So I'm going to just do 25, enter 78, enter 63, and 45. Okay? And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to second and then data. And you'll notice that it's asking me for what type of regression or distribution I want. I'm going to want the number 2. Here, I want my data to be in list 1, and currently I just want my frequency to be 1. So I'm going to hit enter, enter, and then I want to calculate, so I'm going to hit enter. So my N is my sample size. My X bar is my sample mean. My S of X is my sample standard deviation. And I can hit the down arrow, and you'll notice that you get sigma sub X, which is your population standard deviation. Then you can hit the down arrow, and you get the summation of X, which is just adding up all your X values. You can get the summation of X squared, so you're going to take each X value, you're squaring it, and then you're going to add them all up. This is your minimum value. This is your first quartile. This is your median. This is your third quartile. This is your maximum. And then notice you go back up to the top. Now, if you have grouped data, I can go back to data, and in the first column, I would put my midpoints. Now, if I already have data here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to hit data again, and you'll notice that it says clear, and it asks me which list I want to clear. So I can clear any list that I want. I currently want to clear list 1. So now my list is clear. So in the first column, I'm going to put my midpoints as 5, 15, 25, 35. Okay. Then I'm going to scroll over to list 2, and I'll put my frequencies as 4, 8, 6, and 3. So these are my frequencies for those classes. These are my class midpoints. Then I can go second, data. I'm still doing one variable, statistics, so I'm going to hit 2. I still want my data to come from list 1, but this time I want my frequency to come from list 2. So I'm going to scroll over to list 2, and then I'm going to do calculate. And you'll notice that my sample size is still 4, which is not correct. So let's go back to this. I should have list 2. There it is. Okay. I must not have hit the enter on the list 2. So my sample size is 21. My sample mean is 18.8 standard deviation, and I can go down. So notice how my list 1, list 2 is up here. My N is 21. And that N being 21 is because I have 21 values in list 2 now, instead of just the 4 rows. So notice how that definitely changed. Now, I can go to just second and quit, and I'm back to my regular looking screen. And then wherever I go back to data, it's here, but then I can clear my list, and then I would need to clear list 2, and now all my lists are clear. And I could second quit, and I'm back to just looking at my normal calculation screen. Let me know if you have questions, and I will be glad to help you.